Today we're gonna put grip buddies on the new 1300 GS here, and these are not grip puppies, these are grip buddies, right? The biggest reason why I decided to try these on instead of using the grip puppies that I had on my RT is because this has Velcro. Look at that. This is not like a circle, right? That's closed. So the idea is you will stick them here first and then wrap them around, and this is Velcro that should hold it. I think I had these a while ago on my RT that stayed for a very long time. I had them on my Scout Bobber first, and then I moved them when I got my RT. And yeah, so I think these are more portable compared to the grip puppies out there. The thickness is pretty decent. It's not bad. I'm not sure if you can see it, but it's not bad. Comes with alcohol wipes, so we're gonna wipe these. And it's super windy today. Look at that. So let's get onto it. The camera angle is a little weird because I'm repurposing the mount, so bear with me here. But they say it's supposed to be a 5 o'clock when you're looking from this side, right, from outside angle. So 5 o'clock is down right here, right, underneath, not up, underneath. So the plan is wipe this portion off. You only need to wipe a little bit because it's only for the sticky part of the grip. Let's take the safety layer. Okay. And then it's gonna go around like this, right? Or you can go around like this, doesn't matter. So I'm gonna go sticky part inside and underneath. I'm just barely touching it there. I'm gonna make sure that the seam is not gonna land on my hand. That's kind of the goal of this. Maybe a little bit more. Guess what? You have to stretch these a little bit anyway. That sticky is not gonna matter as long as your Velcro kind of connects. So what I'm doing is just pulling this and gripping it with my other arm to make sure that it reaches the seam on the underside. I'm going to show you guys how it really looks like underneath. It's kind of tough to show with the mount that I have. So this goes in right along the line. A little adjustment on the Velcro. Alright, I gotta be honest, this was much easier compared to grip puppies, because I'm done on this side. This is how it looks like. Now it's not quite at the 5 o'clock. If it was 5 o'clock, the angle would be right, the seam would be right here. So I did mess up here, but again, I don't think it's gonna bother me much because it's on my fingers, which is fine. Fingers are mostly gonna be on the clutch and be relaxing, like I'm not gripping from the front side, but I'm glad that it's not ending in the middle of my palm back here. So I'm gonna be a little bit careful when I'm putting this on this side, right? It's gonna be the same. I'm not gonna show that side again, but I'll show you the final product. And well, they said 7 o'clock, but the way I did it, it's kind of at 6 o'clock. So you gotta play with it. What I found is this band is pretty large, so you gotta really have this, like the seam that's connected to the Velcro, as your marker. That's what I learned from this process. So if you get the marker correct, the Velcro strip may end up here, which should be fine because the marker is where the actual seam would be. But I'm fine with this. As you can see, like when I have my hand on the grip, it's really touching my finger lines, like finger here. And then when I roll all the way full throttle, it's still going to be on my fingers. It's not crossing the middle of my palm. And that's all I care about. So yeah, this was very quick video. I think I'm gonna like these grip buddies over grip puppies. I'm sorry, but the installation seems way easier because of the Velcro, and we'll just find out how good these last. As I said, on my previous bike, I actually changed the bike and I moved them over they last pretty good. They last at least for like a year and a half with my riding. Like I, usually store the bike outside. It's going through winter, it's going through hot summer here in the Northeast, and they seem to work fine. So year and a half, I think that's a good lifetime for grips. I think you should change them after, because they start cracking. All right, this has been Dino Peak. Thanks for watching the video. If you gain any knowledge from this video, please hit the like button. Consider subscribing. Keep riding.